How we doing, everybody, and welcome back to the Catalyst, where we break down all things bullish in the crypto markets. Today we have some exciting news. So the NFL and Ticketmaster are going to launch a ticket stub NFT on Polygon. Really cool. So what's going to happen is as you use your ticket stub will now be replaced with a NFT for the National Football League, and that's going to actually start taking place as soon as maybe this weekend. It says at least for the rest of the games this year, which is really cool. So you get a virtual commemorative ticket as an NFT in a Ticketmaster digital wallet that is going to actually live on the Polygon network, similar to Tom Brady's autograph platform. So this is really cool. Even just as a collectible, I can imagine NFTs from particular games that are kind of famous either locally or nationally, or Super Bowl, stuff like that, that have like crazy endings or crazy kind of cult followings or something like that. There's plenty of games historically that have some sort of notoriety as to one thing that happened. Record-breaking games. We saw what happened with Tom Brady's 600th touchdown ball. That guy got a full Bitcoin from it, along with all sorts of other crazy items, signed jerseys and uniform stuff as well. So we can imagine, obviously not going to have as much pull as Tom Brady's 600th football. But it might have some pretty good, collectability. Think about trading cards, signed jerseys, balls, just signed photos from certain games or moments. Having the ticket stub to that as a cool NFT could also have some significant value or just significant kind of like collector's appeal. So, this image is showing Detroit and Chicago. Bears fans having ticket stubs from important Bears games would seem really cool. Like if the Bears won the Super Bowl or something like that, I imagine a lot of Bears fans would want to kind of recognize that by having the NFL ticket stub NFT from the game that their team won the Super Bowl. I don't see the Bears winning the Super Bowl, but that is just a cool example of what could possibly happen with NFTs and ticket stubs. I could see this kind of translating to I've seen some images in the past of these insane kind of like decorative movie stubs, kind of similar to that. They're physical though, but as like a collector's item, I could see that being quite popular. So let's jump over into Matic now and see where our price point is at. So the other day, I believe we were back here. So on the 17th of November, I had mentioned like, hey, now might be a good time to buy. We are hitting the bottom of our, trend line here, which has been pretty solid resistance so far. Might be a good time to enter into a position or load up your bags, whatever it might be. Those of you who did that would have seen a pretty solid return of about 10% already. We are up about 2% at the time of me recording this video, and I think we were up 5 or 6%, I guess 7 or 8% yesterday. So really solid here. What I would like to see happen, or what I kind of expect to happen, is for us to kind of continue out of this, hopefully get back into this yellow trading range here, maybe find some support or resistance, and then continue up out of it from there. Potentially testing some previous all-time highs. On a breakout from that, we would potentially fall back, find some support on the 0.786 fib, and then from there continue on upwards, hopefully getting up into the 2.618 or something like that towards the end of this bull run. But yeah, I think this could be the move here. We have really strong resistance on this as well, which is not necessarily the worst thing. It helps make it a little more predictable, or at least more educated guesses as to what might happen. But yeah, we are super low on the RSI as well, so we have plenty of room to grow here. So the last time our RSI was kind of at this point, we were back here, so the beginning of October. So let's see kind of where we were at. So we went from there up as high here, so that we had 100% gains since the last time our RSI was this low. So if we were to see 100% gains from here, that would put us, we gotta scroll up, that's a good sign, approximately here. So we'd be at about $3.26, so that'd be new all-time highs. certainly I think that could be possible. We have pretty low market cap, so it's pretty easy to move Matic. That's why we see significant, big days of, green candles where we have, insane gains, like this one, where we had 30% gains in a single day. I'm not necessarily saying that's going to happen right away, but I think it's certainly possible. I think also too, this is just proof that, Matic is a legit crypto that people are building on, utilizing. Every day it's growing its user base and getting more and more popular. And as big industries like the NFL and Ticketmaster start to utilize the platform, that alone should be bullish enough news for anyone to say, I want a piece of this, considering how low we are with our market cap and everything like that. I think Matic is going to be a big player eventually. So yeah, really, really exciting news. Pretty solid on the charts as well. I'm pretty bullish on Matic overall, so I think this is great for us as holders. But that is all I got for you guys today, and we will have some more news coming out for the rest of the week. We'll catch you next time. Peace.